Hello everyone, I am Rafat Al-Uthman, co-founder of Dream Initiative that has been working for 3 years now in northern Syria. Our goal is to provide functional, mechanical, 3D printed prosthetics for the people in need in the area. Today I will share with you our experience with the Maker Hand. It's a wonderful, mechanical, functional hand. Uh, Hope you enjoy our video and hope in the future we see you. So this is the Maker Hand. It's a wonderful design, uh, but more importantly, the functionality of this prosthetics. It's working by the shoulder. When we try to spread my shoulders away like this, we try to have an open hand. When you release your shoulder, it will close again. We also can open it and control it by pushing it forward just like that. Rotation exists. Of course, I am wearing my hand in it. We have this large socket to fit my arm in it. Give you a lot of freedom in the movement. So now we try to pick up some weights because of water. Let's start with the weight. As I said, now stretch your shoulders, release, and here we go. Wonderful. We'll try to pick up some small object. This cube. Now this bucket of water. You can drink with it. Of course, it's a bit long for you because I'm wearing against my bar. But it has a firm grip. We also have sensible thumb. Can be put in 3 different positions depending on the item you're trying to hold.